Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Soulful AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Talkie AI application to open it up. And if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into your account and you can start discovering. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and you will see your profile page. Now within this page, tap on the settings option, which is the gear icon, and now you will be able to find the Logout button. Tap on this Logout button and then tap on Logout once again to confirm. And now you will be logged out from your account on the Talkie Soulful AI application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Talkie Soulful AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.